Let me tell you a story. When I was younger, I watched people around me work incredibly hard, yet struggle financially their entire lives. They'd wake up early, work late, and still feel like they were running in place. Money seemed like this mysterious force that some people just got and others didn't. But here's the truth. Wealth isn't magic. It's not reserved for a special few. It's a system, a set of principles that anyone can learn and apply. Money isn't just about survival. It's about creating freedom. Freedom to choose your path. Freedom to pursue your dreams. Freedom to live life on your own terms. Every single day, people are making financial decisions that either push them closer to wealth or keep them trapped in a cycle of financial struggle. Today, I'm going to break down the most powerful rules of personal finance that the most successful people know, but most people never learn. These aren't complicated theories or get-rich-quick schemes. These are practical, proven strategies that can transform your financial life, starting right now. Imagine having complete control over your money. Imagine building wealth that gives you choices, security, and the power to design the life you want. That's exactly what these rules will help you do. Rule 1. Pay yourself first. Here's the first rule that separates the financially successful from everyone else. Pay yourself first. Most people get their paycheck and immediately start paying everyone else. Bills, subscriptions, random expenses. Landlords, utility companies, streaming services. Everyone gets paid before you do. But truly wealthy people do the opposite. They treat their future self as the most important priority. Let's break this down practically. When you receive your paycheck, before you do anything else, immediately set aside a percentage, ideally 10 to 20%, into savings or investments. This isn't about being cheap. This is about being strategic. Think of it like this. You're not losing money, you're investing in your future self. Every dollar you save now is a dollar that's going to work hard to make you more money later. Compound interest is the closest thing to financial magic that exists. A dollar saved today can become multiple dollars tomorrow. Here's a mental shift that changed everything for me. Your savings aren't an expense. They're your most important payment. You're paying your future self first, funding your dreams, your security, your potential. Start small if you need to. 5% is better than 0%. 10% is better than 5%. The key is consistency. Set up automatic transfers so you're not even thinking about it. Make saving as mindless as possible. Remember, saving money isn't about restriction. It's about creating opportunities. It's about buying yourself the most valuable thing in the world: financial freedom. Rule 2. Live below your means. Here's a brutal truth. Your lifestyle will expand to consume whatever money you make. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it's a wealth killer. Most people think getting rich means making more money, but the real secret is keeping more of the money you make. Living below your means doesn't mean living miserably. It means being intentional about your spending. Think about the most successful people you know. They're not the ones with the flashiest cars or the most expensive clothes. They're the ones who are quietly building wealth, making smart choices, investing in their future. Every unnecessary expense is a missed investment opportunity. That fancy dinner, that impulse purchase, those are potential future wealth being spent today. Each dollar you don't spend is a dollar that can grow through investment. This isn't about being cheap. It's about being strategic. Create a budget that allocates your money purposefully. Distinguish between needs and wants. Ask yourself with every purchase, will this bring me closer to or further from my financial goals? Develop a mindset of value. Not cost, but value. Sometimes spending money is an investment, like education or tools that help you grow. Other times, it's just throwing money away. Challenge yourself. Can you reduce your expenses by 10%? Can you find more affordable alternatives? Can you negotiate better rates on your bills? Small changes compound into massive differences. The goal isn't to never enjoy life. The goal is to enjoy life while building long-term financial security. Wealth isn't about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. Rule 3. Develop multiple income streams. Relying on a single income is like walking a financial tightrope without a safety net. The most financially secure people don't just have a job, they create multiple ways of generating income. This doesn't mean working 24/7 or burning yourself out. It means being strategic and creative about income generation. Every additional income stream is a layer of financial protection. Think of income streams like plants in a garden. Your primary job is your main plant, but you want multiple plants growing, so if one struggles, the others keep your garden thriving. What does this look like practically? It could mean freelancing in your area of expertise, creating digital products, investing in dividend-paying stocks, rental income, online content creation, consulting, or coaching. Some income streams might start small, a few dollars here, $100 there. But over time, these streams can become rivers. The key is diversification and consistent effort. Don't expect overnight success. Building multiple income streams is a long-term strategy. Start with one additional stream. Learn, adapt, grow. As you become more comfortable, add another. The beauty of multiple income streams is resilience. If one stream dries up, like losing a job, you're not starting from zero. You have other sources of income to fall back on. Remember, your skills are your most valuable asset. Continuously invest in learning, expanding your capabilities, and creating value for others. Rule 4. Continuously educate yourself. The most valuable investment you'll ever make is in yourself. The world of money is constantly changing, and those who stop learning start falling behind. Financial literacy is not about being a mathematical genius. It's about understanding fundamental principles and being willing to adapt. The most successful people are perpetual students of money. This means going beyond surface-level information. Read books about personal finance, follow credible financial experts, attend workshops, listen to podcasts. But here's the crucial part. Don't just consume information, apply it. Knowledge without action is just entertainment. Most schools don't teach financial education, so you have to take responsibility for your own learning. An hour a week spent understanding money management can dramatically change your financial trajectory. But education isn't just about consuming content. It's about understanding economic trends, learning from successful people, analyzing your own financial behaviors, being curious and asking questions, challenging your existing beliefs about money. Develop a growth mindset around finances. See every financial challenge as a learning opportunity. Made a mistake? Good. That's valuable information for future decisions. The best return on investment is always investing in your own knowledge and skills. Every piece of financial wisdom you learn is a tool that can help you build wealth. Think of financial education like compound interest for your brain. Small, consistent investments of learning create massive returns over time. Rule 5. Protect your wealth. Building wealth isn't just about making money. It's about keeping it. This means understanding and managing risk with intelligence and foresight. Have an emergency fund that covers 3 to 6 months of expenses. This isn't just a recommendation. It's a financial safety net that provides peace of mind and flexibility. Protect yourself with appropriate insurance. This means health insurance, disability insurance, and potentially life insurance, depending on your situation. These aren't expenses. They're shields that protect your financial future. Diversify your investments. Never put all your eggs in one basket. This means spreading your investments across different asset classes: stocks, bonds, real estate, potentially some alternative investments. Be extremely cautious of get-rich-quick schemes and investments that seem too good to be true. If something promises unrealistic returns, it probably is. Wealthy people think about preservation as much as they think about growth. They understand that protecting what they've built is just as important as building it in the first place. This also means protecting your most important asset, yourself. Take care of your health, maintain your skills, build strong relationships. Your personal well-being is the foundation of your financial success. Regular financial checkups are crucial. Review your investments, reassess your strategies, and be willing to make adjustments. These 5 rules aren't complicated mathematical formulas. They're not magical secrets. They're powerful principles that, when consistently applied, can transform your financial life. Wealth isn't about how much money you make. It's about how you manage, grow, and protect what you earn. Every person listening has the potential to take control of their financial destiny. Your financial future is not determined by your circumstances. It's determined by your choices, small, consistent actions, daily decisions, a commitment to growth and learning. You have the power to write your own financial story. Not tomorrow, not someday, right now.